Hello my dear friends, today we're going to cook some red meat. So how do we cook red meat to be healthy? I say the best option is baked in a ceramic pot. So let's see the ingredients. Here we have the red meat. I'm going to season it with some dry basil, little bit of chili to give a taste, fresh ginger, salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. And of course, my ceramic pot that I'm going to use it for the oven. So here we have the red meat that's already been cut in small pieces, and then it's seasoned and ready to go into the oven. Our meat is cooked now. I just took it out from the oven. Next I'm going to cook a garniture with potatoes and saute vegetables. Red meat is an important source of proteins, not to be neglected. Here it is. Stay healthy, stay well, and enjoy life.